Hey guys, let us spend a minute to talk about physical attraction. Physical attraction. Okay, I was speaking to a young lady recently and she was telling me about this amazing guy she met. Says he was good, he was kind, he was affectionate, he was loving, he was caring. She said so many nice things about him. And to crown it all, she says he loves the Lord. He loves the Lord. And that just really did it for me. I said, very good, well done. And then she says, and now this guy wants to marry her. I said, even better, congratulations to you. And then she says, but I am not physically attracted to him. Okay, I'm not physically attracted to him. And she says her parents are encouraging her to go ahead and marry this guy because good men are hard to find. You know, this is a good guy. You do not want to lose him. Okay, the physical attraction you're waiting for or you're looking for will develop over time. You know, as you go into marriage, you know that you get to like him more, and then you get to the physical things. Okay, now what I want to say is this: you've been dating someone for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, and you have not developed physical attraction towards this person. Now, marriage is not going to suddenly manufacture physical attraction. Okay, it's not like, oh, as soon as you get married, things will change and then I will see him differently. No, you're not going to see her or him differently after marriage. Okay, so if that physical attraction wasn't there before marriage, you know, it's not going to suddenly appear. Okay, so we need to manage our expectations. Now, the second thing I want to say is that marriage is a lifetime commitment. Underline the word lifetime. Lifetime commitment. Okay, so that means that I am spending the rest of my life with this person. So marriage is making a decision to spend the rest of your life with someone. So if you're spending the rest of your life with someone, you want to ensure that this person is good looking. You want to ensure that this person is beautiful, at least to you. So I need to make sure that this person is beautiful to me. I'm physically attracted to this person, okay, because beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So to me, I don't care about anyone else, but to me, this person is beautiful. At the end of the day, this is the person you're going to be waking up to every morning. Think about it. So every morning you turn your head to the left or to the right, depending on how you sleep. And this is the first person you see. So you don't want to see someone and be irritated. I hope this is making sense. So when you see the person, you want to feel like touching them. You know, you see them and you nod your head and say, oh, wow, sleeping beauty. You know, good looking. And you want to touch them. You want to kiss them. Okay? So the physical attraction helps to promote physical and sexual intimacy in marriage. You know the importance of this. You know the importance of sex in marriage. Okay, now I'm not saying it is impossible, but it is very difficult to build sexual intimacy where there is no physical attraction. So what am I saying in all of this? Am I saying that physical attraction is the only thing I should pay attention to? No. Okay, I agree with the fact that we need to also look at the inside, but I've noticed recently that there's a lot of focus on, you know, the heart and looking at the inside, looking at the inner beauty and all of that, which is amazing, it's perfect. However, I just want to say that the physical attraction and the outward appearance is equally as important. We cannot downplay the importance of the physical appearance and physical attraction. Okay, so what am I saying? When you want to choose a spouse, when you want to choose your forever partner, look for both. Look for both the inner beauty and the outward beauty. Okay, look for both because physical attraction is very important. Okay, I hope this helps someone, and I hope this helps you make your decision. Okay, and for anyone else who has any similar scenarios or similar situations, I hope this helps you. Okay, take care and God bless.